Well, hi there. Welcome back to another PNW Used Mobile Homes newsletter reading. I am your host, Ben Knott, and I am once again at the PNW station. So let's get right into this newsletter here. Today we're going to talk about how to finance a mobile or a manufactured home. And I want to start by clearing the air here. The only difference between a mobile and a manufactured home, okay, well, there's several differences, but according to Housing and Urban Development, the difference is the date that it was manufactured, okay? If it was manufactured prior to 1976, it's June 15th of 1976, it's a mobile home. And if it was manufactured after June 15th of 1976, it's a manufactured home. And the major differences here are, for one, obviously the date, because they enacted the HUD standard. So once they enacted the HUD standard, that made them manufactured homes, and they deemed that any factory-built home would be referred to as a manufactured home. Now, obviously, I didn't get that memo when I was creating the name of the business, PNW Used Mobile Homes, regardless. But the gist of this is they updated the standards of building quality. They updated the standards of material quality and amounts of materials that had to be used for constructing these mobile homes, these manufactured homes, if you will, now. So when I say mobile or manufactured home, that's it's a fairly interchangeable word in everyday use. However, there are differences. Like I mentioned, the dates they're manufactured, as well as the materials that are being used and the quality that is being required, the standards for that building. Financing a mobile home is a crucial step in realizing your home ownership dreams. All right. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade to a new manufactured or mobile home, understanding the ins and outs of financing is essential. In this newsletter, we'll explore everything you need to know about financing your mobile home. You can check all these out. You can receive all these newsletters by joining our newsletter as well. If you're seeing this on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, you can jump on over to pnwumh.com and actually receive this newsletter in your inbox. Know your options. One, know your options. When it comes to financing a mobile home, there are several options available, including chattel loans, personal loans, FHA loans, VA loans, and conventional mortgages. Each option has its requirements, its terms, and its eligibility criteria. So it's essential to explore all your options and choose the one that best suits your financial situation and your goals. Two, understand chattel loans. What's a chattel loan? You ever heard of that? What's a chattel loan? Well, chattel loans are one of the most common financing options for mobile manufactured homes. These loans are similar to personal loans and are secured by the mobile home itself, rather than the land that it sits on. Chattel loans typically have higher interest rates and shorter loan terms compared to traditional mortgages, but they can be easier to qualify for, making them a popular choice for manufactured home buyers. 3, explore government-backed loans. Government-backed loans such as FHA and VA loans are available to qualified buyers purchasing manufactured mobile homes. FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration and offer low down payment options and flexible qualification requirements. VA loans, on the other hand, are available to eligible veterans, active duty service members, and their spouses, offering competitive interest rates and favorable terms. So check that out. 4, consider conventional mortgages. While conventional mortgages are less common for mobile homes, some lenders may offer financing options for qualified buyers. Conventional mortgages typically require a higher down payment and have stricter eligibility criteria compared to a chattel loan and government-backed loans. However, they may offer low interest and long loan terms, making them a viable option for some buyers. 5, prepare your finances. Before applying for a loan, it's essential to get your finances in order. This includes checking your credit score, saving for a down payment, and gathering necessary documents such as proof of your income, employment history. Improving your credit score and reducing debt can help you qualify for better loans, terms, and lower interest rates. 6, shop around for lenders. Don't settle for the first lender you come across. Instead, take the time to shop around, compare loan offers from multiple lenders. Be sure to consider factors such as interest rates, loan types, fees, and closing costs when you're evaluating your loan option. Getting multiple quotes can help you find the best financing deal for your mobile home purchase. Shameless plug, you can find nationwide trusted lenders at alternativehomepros.com. There are multiple companies in there that do lending, and in fact, we just had a house sell a month and a half ago or something that closed with a lender that was found on Alternative Home Pros. Get out there. 7, work with a mobile home specialist. Navigating the mobile home financing process can be complex, especially for the first-time buyer. Consider working with a mobile home specialist or lender who has experience with mobile home financing. They can provide expert guidance and help you find the right loan product for your needs. 8, plan for long-term affordability. Before committing to a loan, consider the long-term affordability of your mobile home purchase. Factor in ongoing expenses such as insurance, property taxes, utilities, and maintenance costs when determining your budget. Be sure to choose a loan that fits comfortably within your financial means to avoid financial strain down the road. Amen. At PNW Used Mobile Homes, we understand the importance of finding the right financing solutions for your mobile home purchase, whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned homeowner. Our team is here to provide you with expert guidance and support you every step of the way. Thank you for considering us as your partner in achieving your home ownership goals. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our financing options, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you make an informed decision and turn your mobile home dreams into reality. Introducing, you ready? New home, manufactured home referrals. So for years, we've been selling used manufactured homes, okay? That's the game. But now, we have options to refer you to new manufactured homes. 2024, brand spanking, off the line. You know what I'm saying? Well, a lot of people call us and they ask, hey man, well, this is great. I love your stuff. I love what you're doing. But right now I'm looking for a new home because one, you guys don't have what I necessarily want, exactly what I want at this moment, which a lot of times we do, but sometimes we don't. And or two, they're just looking for something newer, you know, maybe they're not looking for a 76 through a 2010 home. They're looking for, you know, a 2023, 2024 model home. So in that case, we want to be able to help them as well. So we will be going forward with referring them over to a new manufactured home dealer that we have started a relationship with, and we believe he will be a very huge asset for those clients. As usual, stay warm, stay safe, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and insights from PNW Used Mobile Homes. I want to know, is the newsletter helpful? I mean, if it's helping anybody out there, drop a comment, like, share, whatever it is y'all do out there in the social media world. And furthermore, get over to PNW Used Mobile Homes and at pnwumh.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Do that. We're going to probably put a link at the bottom of this video, somewhere in the description, I'm sure, to get over and subscribe to that newsletter. Are you potentially going to be relocating a home anytime soon? If you're purchasing a manufactured home from us and it's a used home that needs to be removed, you certainly will. However, if you are in the market for purchasing a home from anybody, or even you already own a home and you're looking to get it moved, this week's show sponsor is alternativehomepros.com, and that is the place where you can find the best in the West, if you will. However, it's nationwide, so the best all around. You can find manufactured home transport companies, setup, teardown companies. You can even find things as, you know, like plumbers and roofers and contractors for building decks and skirting and hooking up utilities and stuff like that. If you're going to buy a manufactured home and have it delivered to your land, there is going to be work to be done. And the contractors there, the professionals you can trust, are at alternativehomepros.com. That brings us to the end of another PNW Used Mobile Homes newsletter reading. I'm your host, Ben Knott, and have a good day.